Look at that difference, man. That is insane. All right, y'all. What's up? It's Precision Pressure Wash. We're in Kissimmee, Florida today. Let me show you what we got to do. All right, so we just got a straight up house wash for you today, y'all. As you can see, firstly on this garage, look at all this stuff. Dirty garage with the webs, the bugs. Got some mud daubers here. Gonna have to take care of those. And the house itself. It's 2-story. Get up on the ladder here to show you this little 2nd-story area. You see it there? And then here's the front of the house. Up in the front porch. You can see, taped everything up. Ring doorbell, lock holes, all that good stuff. There's more of the front. Some green where the water drips. Camera taped up there. Rest of the front. And let me take you around to the sides and the back. Here's the side. Half brick, half vinyl house, as you can see. Up back here, I mean, even this side like gets hit with sun a lot. You can see spots there. More taped outlets along the bottom. See, it's kind of comes out from the house a little bit on the 2nd story. A little bit of an overhang. And the final side here. There's no back pads, driveways, nothing like that. This is just straight up house wash. And that's what they want. As you can see, we're pulling out the hose right now. Gonna be using a downstream mix on all of this. Should get the job done perfectly fine. Probably gonna set up a time lapse out front just so y'all can see how well this stuff works, because it ain't the strongest, but it takes care of that mold. And then we're gonna get to it, y'all, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're just pre-wetting right now. Obviously it's sunny back here, so that's where it's gonna need the most.
Try to stay away from that.
Shouldn't be a terrible job though. It's a nice, pretty rectangular house. As you see, it's a lot of flat surfaces. We will have to get up on the ladder on that side, as I showed you when I got up, just to be able to hit this side of the wall, but that's about it when it comes to that type of stuff. But you can see here, this house is dirty, it needs a clean, so that's why we're here. All right, y'all, we're soaping now. As you can see, all the suds. This stuff should do the trick just fine. Look at that difference, man. That is insane. I just really wanted to show that to y'all, to show how much of a difference it really makes, because that's crazy. All right, y'all. Just wrapped up the job. Took us a couple hours. Let me show you the final results. All right, so first off, got to give you a before of this garage door here. This thing was covered in bugs, webs, mold too, but the bugs and webs were outrageous. You see it now? White, clean. And then obviously, the house itself, vinyl siding always cleans up well. See it there. Try to throw up some before shots, you know, of the front of this house as I'm walking around it here, just to show you how dirty it was. And just because it was such a major difference, I'll throw up a screenshot of when this was half washed, half wasn't. That line, I mean, you could just see how much this downstream does. Didn't even realize it was that dirty until half of it was clean, half of it wasn't. And you really see. Side of the house here. Round to the back. There's that side. The back of the house here. Those little black dots that you may see underneath the panels of the vinyl siding, those are drainage holes so water can drain out so it doesn't get stuck. I'm not even sure if you can see it, but if you do and you think it's something we missed, that's what those are. Now, if y'all want, you can try and guess how many gallons of chlorine we used on this house for the full house. Leave it down in the comments. Tell us how many you think we used, and we'll let you know if you're right or not. But anyways, guys, this has been Precision Pressure Wash. We're in Kissimmee, Florida today. If y'all enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment. Peace out, y'all.